Now I will start the chapter polynomial. Okay. Today I will start a topic polynomial. Okay. Px equal to an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 up to dot 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 a1x plus a0. Okay. Where a0 is called constant, a1 is the coefficient of x and n is the coefficient of x power n. For example, px equal to 7x square plus 8x minus 9. What is the value of a0? What is a0? a0 equal to minus 9, which is constant. What is a1? a1 equal to a1 8 is the coefficient of what? X. 9 is called, minus 9 is called constant. 7 8 2 equal to 7. It means coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. It is a polynomial in the variable what? It is a polynomial in the variable x. Suppose I write p of y equal to 9y square plus 8y plus 4. It's a polynomial in the variable y. Okay. Then degree of a polynomial. The term contain highest power of x is called degree of this polynomial. For example, fx equal to 7x square plus 8x plus 5. What is the degree of this polynomial? Your highest power is 2. 2 is called degree of this polynomial. Suppose I write p of t equal to 45 plus 84. What is the degree? 5. What is the degree of this polynomial? 5, because your highest power is 5. Then p of x equal to 7x 8x square. What is the degree of this polynomial? Here degree equal to 2025 degree polynomial. Okay. If degree of this polynomial 1, what is the name of the polynomial? Linear polynomial. Suppose I write types of polynomial. Okay. First, what? Constant polynomial. What is constant polynomial? A polynomial having degree 0 is called constant polynomial. For example, px equal to 7. It is called constant polynomial. This can be written as 7 into x power 0. Okay. Suppose I write py equal to minus 4. Which polynomial? It is a constant polynomial having degree 0. Then suppose I write px equal to 0. Px equal to 0. Is it a constant polynomial? Px equal to 0. Is it a constant polynomial? Yes, it is a constant polynomial, but we cannot define its degree. Why? Because 0 can be written as 0 into x, yes or no? 0 into what? X square, 0 into x power 12, like this. What is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial not defined. Well, what is the degree of this polynomial? 0. Degree of this polynomial is 0, but here we cannot define the degree. Then What is linear polynomial? Linear. What is linear polynomial? A polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. For example, px equal to 7x minus 4. It is a linear polynomial because what is the degree? Degree 1. Qy equal to 7x plus 5. What is the degree? 1. Hence it is called linear polynomial. Okay. Then quadratic polynomial. Okay. A polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Suppose write px equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. What is the degree of this polynomial? 2. Hence it is called quadratic polynomial. Then cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? A polynomial having degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Suppose I write x cube plus 7x plus 5. It is a cubic polynomial. Or u cube plus 3u plus 9. It is a cubic polynomial. What is the variable here? Variable is u. Then biquadratic polynomial. What? Biquadratic. What is biquadratic polynomial? A polynomial having degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomials. X fourth plus 7x cube plus 9x plus 8. What is the degree? 4. That's why it is called biquadratic polynomial. Okay. I give you some question. Which of the following is a polynomial? Okay. First, 7x square plus 8x plus 5. Second, 7x per half, 4u cube, 7u square plus 9, 5x minus 2, 7x square plus 8, 5 root x plus 9. Define which of the following is a polynomial. If it is a polynomial, find its degree. Do it. Find the degree of the followings. Is it a polynomial? Is it a polynomial? Find the degree. Not 2, write degree equal to 2 here. Degree equal to 2. Okay. Degree equal to 2 means it is a what? Quadratic polynomial. Then is it a polynomial? Why? Degree always positive integer. Here fraction given, write the it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Why? Because fraction, power of x is fraction. Third, is it a polynomial? What is the variable? U. Degree 3. That means it is a cubic polynomial. Okay. Degree equal to 3, it is a cubic polynomial. What is this degree? It is not a polynomial. Why? Because it is contain negative power of x. Right? It's not a polynomial. Then last, Polynomial. Why? Power of x is 1 by 2. That's why, right, it is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Okay. Clear? Is it clear? Then zero zeros of a polynomial. Zero means roots of a polynomial. Suppose fx be a polynomial having any degree, maybe degree 1, maybe degree 2, maybe degree 3. Then if f of alpha equal to 0, f of alpha equal to 0, then alpha is called what? Then alpha is called what? Zeros of polynomial what? F of x. Okay. If f of alpha equal to 0, then it is called zeros of polynomial f of x. For some example, 2 into 1 minus 4, that is minus 2. What is f of minus 2? F of minus 2. Put x equal to minus 2. Minus 8. What is f of 2? 0. You get 0. What is the root of this polynomial? Root of this polynomial? 2 is the root of this polynomial. Suppose f of x equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Find f of 1, f of 2, f of 3. Do it. Right. F of 1. Mistake. 11 plus 1. F of 2. F of 2. 2 cube 6 into 2 square. That's why 2 is a zeros of this polynomial. What is f of 3? F of 3. 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus 11 into 3 minus 6. Plus 33 minus 6. 60 minus 60. What do you get? 0. F of 1 equal to 0. F of 2 equal to 0. F of 3 equal to 0. That's why 1, 2 and 3 are what? Zeros of polynomial fx. Zero of the polynomial fx. How to find zeros of a polynomial? Suppose f of x equal to 2x minus 6. Find the zeros. Find the zeros. Who can do it? Find the zeros. Find the zeros of this polynomial. To find 0 means make the polynomial 0. Okay. What is the zeros? How you get 0? By putting 3. How you get 3? Here put x equal to 3 to get 0. Right here let f of x equal to 0. F of x equal to 0. Put the value of fx. Put the value of fx, that means 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Right? 2x minus 6 equal to 0. That means 2x equal to 6, x equal to what? 3. Right? X equal to 3. Okay? Look at, if you put x equal to 3, get what? 0. That's why 3 is called zeros of this polynomial. How to find 0? Make the polynomial fx equal to 0. Then find the value of x. X equal to what? 3. This is called zeros. Put zeros, get 0. Okay. Suppose x square minus x. Find the zeros. What are the zeros? It is a polynomial. Make it 0. X square minus x equal to 0. That means taking common x. The value of x. How many zeros? How many zeros are? 2 zeros. If you put x equal to 0, what is this value? 0. If you put x equal to 1, you also get 0. That's why there are 2 zeros of this polynomial. Okay? Some question. Find the zeros of x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, we find the zeros. First, let x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to what? 0. Then x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to what? 0. Taking common x, you get x minus 3. Taking common 2, you get again x minus 3 common 2 equal to what? That implies x equal to 3 or x equal to 2. Okay, you check that if you put x equal to 3, what is the value of this polynomial? 0. If you put x equal to 2, you also get 0. This is called zeros of a polynomial. Okay, thank you.